In this video, I will show how to turn on spelling check in MS Word. Click on File, then click on Options. Here click on Proofing. Underneath, when correcting spelling and grammar in Word, you will see these options. Check spelling as you type. You can make it on. Mark grammar errors as you type. Frequently confuse words. Writing style, you can select grammar, grammar and refinements and click on OK. Now if you have any mistake for grammar, spelling, so you will see this red line. It's indicate there is some error, something wrong. You can correct it, right click on it, and you will see these suggested words. With options, you can select this or this one. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.